Fans of 1970s and 80s rock are quite familiar with REO Speedwagon, a band that sold 40 million records and had 13 top 40 hits, including #1 hits Keep On Loving You and Can't Fight This Feeling. Brother Rice director of Alumni Engagement, Matt Kelly, met with Cronin when he arrived, sharing yearbooks from Cronin's time at Brother Rice. From there, Cronin was taken to the library, where he attended a small reception with fellow graduates as well as current Brother Rice students and faculty.
I wanted to let him know that I was very sorry to lose his parents, because they were really wonderful people, and he was touched. He didn't realize that I had been at the funerals. I was at the funeral singing upstairs, and he was very grateful. So it was wonderful to meet him and to talk with him. And I've seen him on stage from the time when he had hair that you could reach by, if you raised your arms in the air, you could almost touch the end of his hair, to the times now, and to hear him on stage and be this huge presence, and then to talk to him personally, it was amazing to be that close to someone that's been worldwide with his music.
At the end of the reception, Cronin was led into the main gym, where Brother Rice students gave him a standing ovation. Most importantly, he offered up advice to today's Crusaders.
So I'm here to say that anybody, any one of you guys, and all of you guys have the potential to do amazing things.
After answering questions from our broadcast journalism students, Cronin was officially inducted into the Brother Rice Alumni Hall of Fame.
At the end of the assembly, Cronin had one last treat, a 3-song acoustic set including songs Can't Fight This Feeling, Keep On Loving You, and Take It On The Run. In light of the success of Keep On Loving You, Cronin remains surprised at the way that its lyrics are interpreted, especially when fans play the song at wedding receptions.
You played dead, but you never bled. Instead you laid still in the grass, all coiled up in hissing. Right? Instead you laid still in the grass, all coiled up and hissing. Will you marry me? Really?
After the concert, Cronin graciously stuck around to take pictures with Brother Rice students, signing hundreds of autographs along the way. Despite the age difference, many Brother Rice students are still familiar with and appreciate REO Speedwagon's music.
So I began listening to them probably through my parents, especially through my parents and my family, like, family parties that comes on, and they kind of look back to their high school days, and I just kept going with my parents, and then I kind of picked up my dad's taste in music. So then about end of 8th grade, beginning of freshman year, as I came into high school, I kind of listened to them like on my own, like listening to their albums and listening to, and like kind of just going deeper into their discography. And then I just kind of became the fan I am now through high school.
All in all, Brother Rice couldn't be happier with the way Kevin Cronin's visit turned out.
I can't fight this feeling any longer, yet I'm still afraid to let it flow. What started out as friendship has grown stronger. I only wish I had the strength to let it show. I tell myself that I can't hold out forever. I say there is no reason for my fear, 'cause I feel so secure when we're together. You give my life direction, you make everything so clear. Even as I want, I'm keeping you in sight. You're a candle in the window on a cold, dark winter's night. And I'm that close like I ever thought I might. When I can't fight this feeling anymore, I've forgotten what I started fighting for. It's time to bring this shit